It's cotton candy clouds.
Hey divas, so today I decided to vlog, or this evening rather. I'm going to a MAC event, so yeah, this should be exciting. This is my first MAC event. I've never been to a MAC event. Oh yeah, and I'm just showing off my nails, but it's just, I just love, I don't know, I just feel some type of way with like long stiletto nails, and these are from my nail collection. And if you guys don't know, I am the owner of Nail Glam, and these are the black stiletto long, and these are in the style Flow, and I absolutely love them. Like, so I'm wearing all black today, and I was like, I have to have on black nails. Like, it's just not gonna be right. So anywho, I am going to the MAC event. I'm probably gonna be like an hour late because of traffic in Los Angeles. It's always super crowded, and right now I'm going to pick up my big cousin, and because she's gonna go with me. I didn't want to go by myself, so I was like, I want my big cousin to go with me. And then plus I think she'll really enjoy it, even though I don't even know what it's about. Like, why would I even say I don't know what it's about, but I was like, I'll share the experience with her. So yeah, but anyways, I just wanted to start off the vlog and yeah, just pretty much get it going, and hopefully it's a fun time. I am vlogging on my phone, just because my camera is, I finally brought in my little vlog camera, but first of all, it doesn't fit in my little clutch thingy situation that I have going on, and then what else? Oh, and then I didn't even charge the battery, so I'm just like, whatever, we're gonna put this iPhone 11 Pro Max to work, okay? Because the cameras on here are nice anyways. Like, I feel like it's nice. I don't know, this is the front camera too. I don't know if that's because, you know, it's like good lighting and stuff, so I guess I'm gonna put that to the test too. So yeah, but anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm gonna be vlogging today, taking you guys with me. I did get requested to do vlogs on this channel, but I was like, I don't know, like, if you guys want to see that. So I just thought that this would be something that you guys want to see, because it has to do with like makeup and stuff. So yeah, but anyways, I'm about to pick up my cousin, and I need to call her to tell her I'm outside, so, and I'm using my phone. So yeah, so we just got here. I think it's like probably like 7 or 7:30, so like an hour late, but we are about to walk in. But I just want to let you guys know that we finally made it. Oh, and there's my cousin. Say hi to my vlog. Hi, y'all.
When the only focus is me and weightless, got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams. I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding back in all stars.
Okay, so we went to the MAC event. It was pretty fun. I got some things for my cousin, and then I got a few things for myself. It was pretty fun. It had drinks and everything, and then they had like a live DJ. Everybody was there. They were so nice. They loved my top, and I feel so bad because some company sends it to me, and I honestly don't know where it is, or if they even have a website. Like, companies need to stop sending me stuff when they don't have a website, because I hate like not being able to tell somebody like where to go to get the stuff. But I'll search it on Amazon, because you guys know I'm Amazon queen. But anyways, we are gonna go ahead to get some food. I'm trying to look and see if we're gonna get hit by a car, because I'm trying to vlog while we're walking across the street. Putting my life in danger for you guys. Don't ever say I don't love you. Are we parked on this road or
yeah,
this one? Oh, okay. Well, yeah, we're gonna go head downtown to go somewhere nice to eat. I was like, I want to eat somewhere nice tonight, so no paper bag meals tonight. Because don't lie, like, don't front, like, you know, we all hit up a good, you know, Popeyes. I know I get the shrimp because chicken around here, but I'm like, nope, I want some good food. So we're gonna head downtown and get some good food, and I'll check back in with you guys then. So we are downtown now, and we are gonna go to Taco Beach. We're downtown Long Beach. So yeah, I'm super hungry, but the Mac event was fun. I feel like they need to like rent a venue or something though, because it's pretty small in there. Like everybody was like really close, but I enjoyed it though. But anyways, I'm gonna walk to the to Taco Beach, have some good old Mexican food. Are you sure you don't want volcano? Okay. Cause huh? Oh, okay.
My name is Dev.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you.
Damn.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. And your name is?
Shayla.
Shayla? Mm-hmm. Can I call you? Can I get your
Oh,
number,
I'm
Shayla?
married.
Show is.
Yeah. It's okay. All right. Okay, you too, sir. It's okay. Y'all. I know. I'm like, bruh, like, what are we doing? That is so thirsty. That was so thirsty. And he got in my vlog. Like, did I invite him, or I just need to know. And we look like alcoholics. We both got on wristbands. I promise we're not alcoholics today. No, just kidding.
On the weekends.
Yeah. That was so random though. Like he was so thirsty.
He was watching from all. He had to be watching from all the way back there.
Oh my gosh.
No, I don't know where I'm going.
Oh, this way. It was just too much. Like, oh, they got good lighting in downtown, or is it this camera? Look at
Both.
oh. So conceited. Look, you can tell we related. Be like, good lighting, it's time to pose. There's good lighting and there's a phone out, it's time to pose. It runs in our family, don't mind it. She's humble, I promise. It just, that runs in our family. But anyways, I'll check back in with you guys. You sound like my mom. But yeah, we'll check back in before any other weirdos try to get in my vlog.
But it's your fault, I wish you'd just accept that I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. Neon waitlist got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams, I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding light in all stars.
So we are all done with dinner. We are gonna go find a cute place to take some pictures because we look too cute. Like, she looks too cute. She got on her. We ain't gonna show the feet though, because you know she has to put on those comfortables. We not gonna tell anybody though. Instagram not gonna ever know. But yeah, we're gonna go take some pictures because we look cute. So, and it's cute down here, so I'm sure we could like find somewhere to take pictures. But yeah, dinner was really good. I enjoyed it. I didn't finish my dinner, but it was still good. Oh yeah, we gotta go this way. But yeah, we trying to figure out like how we even gonna take pictures though, because I am not trusting anybody with my iPhone, like Pro Max. Like, no, because the thirst is real. Okay, like, and I don't want no problems. I would hate to have to run somebody over with my car just to get my phone back, like. But I will do it. Okay, phones are not cheap nowadays. And I wouldn't want anybody to just punk me, you know. It's really about, not about the money. I could buy another phone, but it's like, you're not finna little bow wow me for my phone. Like, it's like you thought. So we went to take our pictures and they came out real cute. I think I'm gonna insert some of them in this video so you guys can see, but they were taken on this phone. Like, it looks like they were taken on like a DSLR or something, which is insane. Like, I just can't believe it. Like, this camera, like this phone camera is really nice. Like, even I'm impressed with the front camera. Like, I know this is not the best quality, but like the front camera, like it's still lit. Like, even like, look at how dark it is in here, and it's still like, I'm impressed. But anyways, we are on our way home. Okay, you guys, so I made it home. So I know it's like pretty dark right now, but I made it home. I am super duper tired, but I had an overall good time. Mac did give me like this, oops, sorry, the camera. But they did give me this giant bag, and it says Mac on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. But it says Mac, and it has like some things in there, so I'll unbox that, everything. But yeah, that's the end of this vlog because I am tired as heck. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little vlog on my phone, and yeah, I will see you fabulous girls in my next video. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up if you guys did enjoy this video. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what you fabulous girls are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.